the TMAU community. Yo, shit. I hope you guys are seeing this, because this is freaking crazy, guys. This is the first time I've ever been on a jet ski. I hope you guys can hear me. Holy shit, I'm fucking scared. Sorry for the swearing, but guys, I'm scared. Not really. Yo, TMAU community, fuck with me. Where y'all at? Where y'all at, TMAU community? Guys, this is crazy. I've never, holy, yeah, this is ridiculous, guys. I've never in my entire life. How do you open this damn thing? I'm trying to open this freaking, this is crazy, guys. hope you guys are seeing this, bro. I hope you guys are seeing this. We're like in the middle of a storm right now. And I'm in the middle of a freaking... I think I'm still recording. Yeah, I'm still recording. Thank God. I hope I'm not shouting into the microphone. I probably am. But guys, this is freaking insane. This is crazy, guys. This is insane. I'm in the middle of a freaking storm out here. I don't know what's going on with these guys. Let me go check on them real quick. This is awesome, bro. It's my first time too. Try not to go out as far as I told you, so that way you can always see the beach, you know what I mean? Okay. And that way I can see you too, I can make sure you're alright. Alright. Sorry about that, man. Yeah, it's awesome, bro. So you want me to go a little further down? Alright. We got the GoPro back on. I hope. I freaking hope. Like I said, guys, I'm really hoping that this audio and that these audios and that these video cues are really going well. I believe it's in 4K. I hope it's in 4K. Shit. If it's not, man, well. Yeah, I think this is the instructor. The instructor may be coming over here to yell at me. I don't know. Because I don't know. I think I was going too far out. I think I was going too fast. I don't know. So. If he yells at me, then, you know, I'll have to get off. If he doesn't, then shit, I ain't getting off. We'll just wait and see who this is. Oh no, that's not the instructor. Well, if it's not the instructor, then fuck it. I'm gonna go like freaking 70 an hour. skiing in the rain, just skiing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, and I'm happy again. How much more time we got till this instructor kicks me the fuck off? Guys, straight up, I apologize for my language, but guys, I'm on a freaking jet. This has literally been my dream for like the past year, guys. I don't know how long some of you guys have been following me, but this pandemic like really messed me up. And so because the pandemic really messed me up, and because of just whatever, I've just been brainstorming what I want in life, and how to get to my goals, how to do all that. And guys, I'm taking everything off my checklist, I guess you could say bucket list, hour after hour. I mean, literally, I wanted to graduate college. I wanted to become a software engineer. I wanted to move out, get my own a place. I wanted to do all this, I wanted to do all that. I wanted to go jet skiing, I wanted to go this, I wanted to go that, I wanted to go whatever. And I'm literally accomplishing all my goals, literally one by one, each and every single freaking day. So I mean, I apologize if I sound callous, I apologize if I sound a little arrogant, but damn, I'm freaking proud of myself right now, guys. I never in a billion years thought I'd be in this position. I mean, holy crap. Holy crap, guys, this is crazy. Well, let's celebrate. Awesome. All right, guys, I got like 10 more minutes left, so I'm gonna go as fast as possible. If the instructor gets mad, then fuck it, he gets mad. But I don't care, guys. I got like 10 more minutes left, so screw it. We going as fast as we can. All right, here we go. Unbelievable, guys. And that was one-handed too. I didn't even have two hands on it. I was using my cell phone for the other one. But now that I do have two hands, I'm gonna go as fast again. Fuck it. All right, let's get a good angle on it. Let's get a good angle on it and go. Alright guys, I got like 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. I'm gonna make it the best I possibly can. I'm gonna go just straight up sprint down the beach. Straight up sprint. Alright guys, you ready? Here we go. Fuck yeah! Alright, maybe that wasn't a full-on sprint. Maybe that wasn't a full-on sprint, but hey, it was good enough for me, guys. I know I may have, I don't even remember, guys. This has been so fun. This has been freaking awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna go back now. This is freaking awesome, guys. I mean, honestly, if you guys are in the Florida area, anywhere in Florida, Jacksonville, Tallahassee, whatever. I mean, Tallahassee, I don't think you guys even have beaches over there. But if you guys are in the Florida area, definitely let me know. I'm definitely going to be reaching out to you guys if you guys are, or reach out to me, whatever. I'd love to hang out with you guys, love to do all this kind of shit with you guys. Right now, again, obviously, this is jet skiing. I would love to go, mudding. I'd love to go, whatever. ATV riding, whatever, guys. Right now, I'm just winding down the clock because, you know, yeah, I'm going in right now. I'm going into where the beach is, where the instructor is and everything. He's probably going to yell at me because I went over the speed limit, but screw it, guys. Who gives a crap? This is freaking awesome. But yeah, this is where the video will end. I hope I got some good footage. I'm pretty sure I did. I hope so, at least. And I hope it's in 4K as well. Guys, freaking literally snow. I mean, I was kind of worried because like I was expecting like to sweat my ass off, and like I am a little bit, but like, dude, I got freaking so. I mean, I was going through so many freaking waves and just so much crap in general, guys. I was going through so many, like, just so many waves and everything. It was crazy. So like, Yeah, there's sweat on my body, but there's more freaking salt on my body, if anything. Well, I mean, more salt from the freaking sea. Ocean, whatever the hell you want to call it, guys. This was freaking... And this is just the beginning, guys. Don't, please, 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 please don't believe that this is just gonna be like a one and done. I'm gonna be doing this for like, as long as I freaking die. Holy crap. I'm gonna be doing this for a long time, guys. Jet skiing, whatever, you name it. I'm kayaking, sea kayaking, paddleboarding, surfing. Surfing's something I definitely want to do. I would love to go surfing. Holy crap, surfing seems awesome. All right, guys, peace before the instructor gets pissed.